Hello everyone, my name is Lydia. I'm a testing engineer in Genin. Today I would like to talk about our software architecture on high silicon platform. Here is the hardware layer. It supports the OS and software. The layer includes the hardware register, CPU startup process, external interfaces, and more. This is the device driver layer. The main function is to configure the hardware drivers based on the business logic. Genin AI 120 has drivers and applications such as SD card, SPI, HDMI, GPIO, Wi-Fi, DDR. Genin also has the capability to program for Flash, UART, I2C, USB, video, audio, and so on as well. The operating system layer manages software applications and drivers. Genin customized our OS to increase the efficiency of our applications. Genin uses Huawei's Lite OS, a real-time OS that supports multitasking, multi-threading, and multi-CPU instances. The system log layer contains modules that register, manage, and store the logs of software, drivers, and applications in use. This part is important for keeping track of information for our developmental and mass production stages, so it's easier to debug and identifying errors. Here is the high silicon software development kit and the external driver layer. This is a device abstract layer that includes drivers not programmed as a part of system of a chip and their business logic. It is a core reason for Genin's high system processing capability. Important drivers included are motor driver, HDMI, IR cards, video, audio, and so on. HiSilicon's original development kit is also included here, so Genin can use it for debugging and porting hardware and software from the other platforms. HiSilicon's kit provides functions such as audio and video capture, encode date, alt-focus, auto-exposure, and auto-white balance algorithms. The kit also provides related API interfaces and allows developers to customize it. The third-party software server. This layer is used mostly as a part of the developmental process. The third-party software server are packaged and then used in our user library corresponding with the general public license. Genin supports related software and extensions such as LightTPD, NTP, DDNS, SMTP, and so on. Let's see application tasker. Focus on domain logic control. It includes video application media server, processes application protocol server, 3A control server, 3A algorithm, and communication protocol analyzer. Some systems even touch on human-computer interaction button configuration, so we included button server and OSD server as well. Other important applications include web server for webcams, upgrade server for software upgrades and command services, and speeding loading processes. Core applications such as LiveLib, CircleLight, OnWave, and 3A. Now let's go to user library. User library is the key part of Genin's technical aspect and shows the company's software capability. It includes key algorithms, core business abstractor, encryption, and supports applications toolchain, menu framework, and multimedia library. Some important libraries to mention are Genin's audio library. It includes PCM, G711, G723, AAC, and so on. Video library, including Motion JPEG, H.264, H.265. 3A algorithm library, including hill climbing algorithm, zone tracking algorithm, AF trigger algorithm, auto tracking white balance algorithm, gamma correction, defective pixel correction, highlight control, gain control, and so on. Important tool chains that support key applications are high-performance tasker manager, encryption, data transfer, and data marshalling. The user library is a dynamic library that stores important modules, business logic, protocols, configurations, and more. Genin can also create specific modules and provide the API needed depending on the needs of our applications.
We at Genin look to use our technical capabilities to lead the industry in innovation and offer personalized services for focused teamwork. Our goal is to create solutions to help the integration of Internet of Things and become a leading enterprise in providing cutting-edge products to our consumers. Genin is proud of its research in digital imaging process, multi-sensor information fusion, and camera modules. Our team members have worked over 10 years in the industry, and the company is a long-term partner to the Shenzhen Research Institution of Tsinghua University and Computer Department of Peking University. Our company has also worked with high silicon semiconductor chips for over 7 years, leading to many advancements in process and specialization. Please visit our website www.genintech.com for more information on products and services we offer. Thank you for your time.